Scientists have made a truly mind-bending discovery, a planet called Proxima B, located just 4 light-years away from Earth, orbiting the star Proxima Centauri. This distant world, previously intriguing for its potential to host life, has now become the focal point of one of the most astonishing and possibly terrifying revelations in the field of astronomy. Why? Because a potential alien radio transmission has been detected from the very vicinity of Proxima B, sparking heated debates and excitement within the scientific community. But the story doesn't end there. Something even more extraordinary has happened. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, the most advanced space observatory ever created, has captured images that could send a chill down your spine, glowing alien cities on the surface of Proxima B. These lights, seen in patterns far too structured and organized to be natural, are raising a deeply unsettling question: could intelligent life be far closer than we ever dared to imagine? This discovery could change everything we thought we knew about life beyond Earth, making it one of the most intriguing and frightening breakthroughs in human history. Proxima B, the new frontier in the search for life. Proxima B, orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, sits just outside the threshold of what scientists have long considered the habitable zone. This region around a star is thought to be just right for life, as it could allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, something fundamental for life as we know it. Since its discovery in 2016, Proxima B has been a target of intense study. The planet's tidal locking, which means one side perpetually faces its star while the other remains in constant darkness, raises numerous questions about the conditions for life there. Still, this distant world has sparked the imagination of many astronomers, particularly due to its potential to sustain life, either microbial or, perhaps, something far more advanced. But this latest discovery, captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, has gone beyond the theoretical and brought us face to face with something far more remarkable: glowing lights on the dark side of Proxima B. Could these be signs of an advanced civilization, or is there a different, more mysterious explanation? The strange light patterns, evidence of alien cities. What makes this discovery even more remarkable is that the JWST didn't just capture faint glimmers of distant stars or cosmic radiation. It captured infrared signatures that appear almost too structured to be natural, lights in patterns that resemble nothing less than the glowing outlines of alien cities. Normally, a planet's night side would be pitch dark, with no light to be seen. But the infrared images from JWST showed a distinct, unnatural pattern of brightness, like a web of city lights, shining through the dark, organized in ways no natural phenomenon could produce. These lights aren't just random bursts of light or scattered patches of warmth, they appear to follow some kind of symmetrical, deliberate arrangement. Dr. David Kipping, an expert in the study of exoplanets at Columbia University, was among the first to suggest that these patterns could indicate an artificial origin. Natural processes, such as volcanic eruptions or auroras, could explain some light emissions, but the precise and repetitive nature of these signals strongly suggests the possibility of technological activity on the planet's surface. Could this be a technosignature, an unmistakable clue that an intelligent, technologically advanced civilization has found a way to thrive on this distant planet? If so, it would place Proxima B at the very heart of one of the most exciting, yet terrifying, discoveries in the history of astronomy. The hostile environment, adaptation or engineering. What makes this discovery even more mind-boggling is the extreme environment of Proxima B. The planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side is constantly exposed to the harsh light of Proxima Centauri, while the other side is forever shrouded in darkness. These kinds of extreme conditions would typically make it nearly impossible for life to exist, especially complex life, yet these lights suggest something far more sophisticated at work. If these lights are indeed artificial, then how could a civilization thrive in such an inhospitable environment? The answer may lie in advanced engineering. It's possible that these alien inhabitants have developed massive solar arrays on the day side of the planet to harness the meager light from Proxima Centauri, while on the night side, artificial lighting could be used to power cities or sustain industrial activity. This type of energy distribution would be a monumental achievement, particularly given the violent solar flares Proxima Centauri is known for. These flares could strip a planet of its atmosphere, making survival on Proxima B even more challenging. If this civilization exists, it is likely that they've developed planetary-scale shielding or energy technologies to protect themselves from the destructive radiation emitted by their star. The mystery of the balanced temperature, a sign of artificial climate control. What's even more intriguing, is that Proxima B doesn't behave like other tidally locked planets. Instead of a stark contrast between a blistering hot day side and an ice-cold night side, temperature readings show a surprising balance, something unexpected for a planet exposed to the extreme radiation of a red dwarf star. This raises the possibility that something artificial is regulating the planet's temperature, potentially through energy-efficient technology or climate engineering. Such control over a planet's environment would be a major feat of civilization and suggests a level of technological advancement far beyond what we currently possess. Could the lights observed on the night side of the planet be connected to massive climate engineering systems designed to stabilize the environment for habitation? The search for biosignatures and technosignatures, what the JWST can reveal. While the discovery of alien city-like lights is certainly groundbreaking, scientists are still trying to verify whether Proxima B could actually harbor life. The James Webb Space Telescope is currently scanning the planet's atmosphere for biosignatures, gases like oxygen, methane, and water vapor, all crucial markers for the possibility of life. But there's a deeper mystery hidden in the search for technosignatures. Could the gases and chemicals found in the atmosphere point to industrial activity or technological processes? One key compound that would signal industrialization is chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, a chemical once used on Earth as a refrigerant and found in industrial processes. If detected in Proxima B's atmosphere, this would be a clear sign of technological activity. However, detecting bound oxygen, another telltale sign of life, remains a challenge. The JWST, though groundbreaking, has limitations in this area, which is why astronomers are eagerly awaiting the launch of the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, in 2028, which could provide even more detailed analyses of distant exoplanets. The chilling question, what if we're not alone? As scientists dive deeper into these findings, an unsettling question emerges: if Proxima B does indeed host a civilization, how should we respond? Should we try to make contact with them, or is it wiser to remain silent, uncertain of their intentions or capabilities? History has shown that when vastly different civilizations meet, whether on Earth or in speculative fiction, it often leads to catastrophic consequences. If an alien civilization is indeed out there, what would they think of us? Would they view us as a curious species to be studied, or as a potential threat? What would happen if they could observe us from the shadows, much like we have long gazed at distant stars in search of answers? Could ancient aliens have visited Earth? As we consider the possibility of life on Proxima B, it's hard not to think about the tantalizing theories that have captivated human imagination for centuries. Ancient astronaut theories propose that extraterrestrial beings may have visited Earth long ago, influencing the course of human history. Could these alien civilizations have left clues behind, hidden in the myths, monuments, and mysteries of our ancient world? Think of the Egyptian pyramids, massive structures, perfectly aligned with the stars, built over 4,500 years ago. How did the ancient Egyptians move and position such colossal stones, many of which weigh multiple tons? Could they have had help from beings more technologically advanced than we are today? Similarly, the Nazca lines in Peru, enormous geoglyphs of animals and humanoid figures etched into the desert floor, are a mystery. Why would ancient peoples create images that could only be fully appreciated from the sky? Could these be landing strips for extraterrestrial craft, or perhaps a form of communication designed for beings beyond our world? UFO sightings, a glimpse of what's beyond. Over the years, reports of UFO sightings have only added fuel to these theories. The Roswell incident in 1947, the Tic Tac UFO encounter in 2004, and more recently, the US government's acknowledgement of mysterious aerial phenomena, are all signs that there's much we don't yet understand about the nature of extraterrestrial life. Could these events be glimpses of a reality where we are not the only